Before we get started, there's a special discount link for the Cinderella Solution in the description of this video. A lady's body is structured in a special manner. She will undoubtedly conceive an offspring and care for her reality. Today, a lady does considerably more than that. She is free, monetarily steady, social, profession arranged, and a dependable wellspring of help for everybody around her. In the midst of every one of her errands, she overlooks that occasionally, she needs to deal with herself. An ongoing report recommends how practically 70% of ladies have heftiness, hypertension, hormonal awkward nature, etc. One of the most widely recognized things that ladies face is stoutness. The farmer organizations have a ton of answers for this, and our exercise center educators have a great deal of exercise designs as well. In any case, the inquiry is, do these truly work? In case you're a lady who has had a go at everything except for hasn't had the option to lose a pound, at that point this is for you. You attempt to get in shape, however you can't. Each time you look in the mirror, you feel less certain. Step by step your body turns into a home for infections. Nervousness, sorrow and loss of drive kick in, and you're considering what you ought to do. Here is an answer called Cinderella Solution, structured via Carly Donovan and her group to assist ladies with enjoying you and me shed pounds normally. It's anything but a drug or an exercise plan, you'll be astounded when you study it. So continue perusing. What is Cinderella Solution? Carly Donovan, a lady in her late 30s, was actually stout. She did everything to get back fit as a fiddle, yet she proved unable. Luckily, she found how Japanese ladies figured out how to stay sound and sickness-free, and carry on with a long life. She found how enhanced matching could do wonders as it accomplishes for the ladies of Japan. She chose to do some exploration and contracted a group. Inside a half year, they discovered how incredible the method was. Gradually she began utilizing it and lost 14 pounds in 7 days. She is fit as a fiddle now and plans to help each lady experiencing corpulence. She probed numerous and the outcomes were great. She has been met ordinarily all around on live channels, and her work has become surely understood. Consequently, to help every single lady over the globe, she has discharged her equation for the sake of Cinderella Solution. The Cinderella Solution offers a simple to begin, easy to pursue fix utilizing flavor pairing customs that hit the reset switch on your digestion system's 3 key fat-consuming hormones, insulin, cortisol and estrogen. This weight reduction custom is upheld by logical law that has fast, protected and lasting outcomes. Cinderella arrangement has straightforward plans that will quicken your muscle versus fats consuming component, and your body will at that point consume fat normally. Who can try Cinderella Solution? As talked about before, Cinderella Solution isn't a drug or an exercise machine. It is a book brimming with plans that have a place with the flavor blending methodology. These plans or mixes are 100% demonstrated to be sheltered and powerful. It doesn't make a difference in case you're old or youthful, this is intended for ladies in their 20s to the 40s or 60s too. The best part is you needn't bother with any wellness gear, a cooler brimming with green veggies or diet nourishment, or a rack improved with diet pills or recommended weight reduction meds. In spite of the fact that Cinderella Solution doesn't fix infections like hormonal lopsidedness, diabetes or heart ailments, it helps in improving your general condition, as the flavor blending methodology is utilized to reinforce your body's safe framework and digestion. Numerous ladies have revealed that it has helped their bodies mend from inside and gain their lost self-assurance. On the off chance that you have 10+ pounds to lose or anything over that, don't spare a moment. It isn't your issue. Our bodies are intended to turn off the 3 key fat-consuming hormones after our adolescence. We basically need to overhaul our body's instrument to get in a sound shape. What is shoku flavor pairing? Cinderella Solution depends on the Japanese guideline, shoku-iku, which implies nutrition architecture. As per them, season matching is the most ideal approach to help our fat-consuming system and hormones well-being. To pursue Cinderella Solution. 1. You don't need to do any exhausting cardio or high-force workout. You don't need to eat any flat nourishment or starve yourself. You don't need to burn through cash on any costly pills or enhancements. You don't need to go through hours in rec center checking calories. Rather, Cinderella Solution depends on bleeding edge. Inquire about that is demonstrated to work in the best way. Some blending customs, for example. Weight reduction chocolate pairing ritual, this resets the weight reduction hormones. Weight reduction carb pairing ritual, this empowers you to eat everything and still be fit as a fiddle. Dot. Weight reduction movement pairing ritual, this outcomes in fat misfortune from the hardest zones. Dot. Weight reduction wine pairing ritual, this kills aggravation. Dot. Weight reduction spice pairing ritual, this outcomes in extraordinary weight reduction when you pair two sweet flavors. Subsequently, Cinderella Solution's novel methodology does ponders with no reactions. These are such extraordinary pairings that you'll certainly cherish it. How is Cinderella Solution better than pills, diets or workout? The vast majority of the eating regimens and pills are coordinated towards losing fats. In any case, none of these really centers around the genuine issue. I wager none of these specialists has really disclosed to you what weight reduction is about. Cinderella Solution comprehends why we put on weight and attempts to take care of the genuine issue instead of concentrating on external fats. Numerous clients have revealed that their invulnerability has expanded and they need to experience the ill effects of less infections now. This arrangement is experimentally demonstrated and sponsored by various clinical investigations as well. While different specialists, pharma industry and exercise center educators attempt to plunder you and you don't have anything, consequently, Cinderella Solution is a spending limit, well-disposed arrangement that will assist you with treating the issue from its underlying foundations. Purchase now, save more. Cinderella Solution should be a costly answer for heftiness. Be that as it may, Carly sees how tricky it tends to be for ladies to spend huge amounts of dollars on items and medications and see no outcomes. She needs this answer for be a pressure buster and subsequently has brought down $150 from its real cost. You can verify the $150 off 80% rebate at the present time and get the whole Cinderella Solution at the seriously limited cost of $37. That is not it. Get some bonus ebooks too. 1. Fresh out of the plastic new Cinderella Accelerator package $147. Dot. Quickening Agent Movement Sequencing Book $150. Be that as it may, you can get these with the expectation of complimentary today by basically requesting Cinderella Solution at just $37. Glass Slipper Guarantee. You can make this biohazard free as Carly offers a glass slipper guarantee. This implies you can utilize this item for 60 days and in the event that you don't care for the item or don't get the ensured outcomes, you can request a discount. They have a 24-hour client service group. Carly gives up 100% consumer loyalty ensure as well. Bottom line. This is actually an aid to the ladies who are baffled with the lies of the pharma business. The ladies who have attempted and lost such a large number of pounds generously say thanks to Carly for her inspiration and development. Keep in mind, this is a one-time venture, so you'll never be charged again, and you can download every one of the books and recordings to the same number of gadgets as you like. Along these lines, you can get to the framework on your PC, tablet, and additionally telephone, at whatever point you need. It is straightforward and effectively open, which makes it shockingly better. Since every one of the clients have given a positive audit, the item has become #1 in the market today. In the event that you need to fit in your old thin pants, quit wearing cosmetics and still look lovely, have no droopy thighs and arms, and carry on with a real existence brimming with certainty, get your hands on Cinderella Solution now.